Welcome to the Old Cigar Factory. This is a historic building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 3A, a 2-bedroom unit on the 3rd floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, the kitchen is on your left. A spacious kitchen with an electric oven and range, a double bay sink, a microwave, and a refrigerator. Heading down the hall, we next come to the bathroom. Another large room with a shower and tub combo, a vanity, and a large mirror. Here you can see a floor element left over from when this was a working cigar factory. The rest of the apartment has hardwood floors. At the end of the hall, we come to the living room. This room has 6 pieces of furniture: an armchair and an end table, a coffee table, and a dining table with 2 chairs, as well as some built-in shelving. This large room has 3 windows facing south, overlooking the Ithaca Commons. This apartment is air-conditioned, and each room has a heating element. Heading back down the hall, we come to bedroom number 1. Each bedroom has 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-size bed, a bookcase, and a desk and desk chair. Each bedroom also has a closet and a window that opens into a skylight area. We'll finish in bedroom 2. You'll see the same 5 pieces of furniture, again, a window that opens into a skylight area, and plenty of closet space. Rent for apartments in the Old Cigar Factory includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Old Cigar Factory 3A. Call us today for availability.